Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix device not showing up under Bluetooth on iPhone. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure that the device you want to connect is in the right name. Second, if you want to pair another device, make sure that the device is configurable and pairable to an iPhone. They have to be compatible with one another because if not, the device will not appear on the iPhone Bluetooth settings. Lastly, try turning off and turning on the Bluetooth connection of your device. If these steps still don't work, try going to the settings and make sure to update your device. That's it! Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.